Welcome to part 2 of the best Greek road trip. If you missed part 1, make sure to check it out as we explore the amazing monasteries of Meteora. Today we are heading further into the mountains in search for some bridges and some hiking. We hope you enjoy the video.
Okay, well it is the next day. Good morning. You saw yesterday our amazing start to our road trip, which we are carrying on, and now if you would like to see what we get up to today or where we're going to end up on this trip around Greece, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and tune in for the next video. So yesterday, exploring Meteora, all of these monasteries, was a real highlight. It's not something that we really planned to do, but as soon as we heard about it, we knew that we had to take a quick trip to go and see it. So if you do have time, make sure to include it on your Greek itinerary. We have reached a stop in our path. I think we could fit past it, but we're not going to risk it. Oh, here comes another car. Let's see if this car can make it.
Maybe I'll turn around. How about that? Turning around. Going the other way.
We are on kind of like a highway now. We could not go that way. So we've gone with the maps. I think we might have to hit a toll road, but they're not too expensive here in Greece, so hopefully it's okay. But we're picking up some speed now. That mountain pass was absolutely amazing, but now we're kind of on the great highway. Not as beautiful, but we will get there a bit faster. We've been driving now for about 2-ish hours. We should be close, but I believe I may have been napping and Aidan took a wrong turn or missed an exit something, so we've quickly pulled over to check the map again. I think we might have to turn around, do the same road that we just did. We've been mostly driving on the outskirts of Ionion city, so it hasn't been that beautiful, hence why I may have had a little nap. But yeah, we are just having a little look on the phone. It's easier connection outside of the car, and then hopefully getting back on track. It's been a long drive so far. Hopefully it's going to be worth it though. Yeah, hopefully this last part goes quickly as well.
We're on the right road now. I missed the turning and carried on, but then couldn't carry on any further because it was a dirt road, so we've come back and now we're going the right way. So we have made it to the first stop of our road trip today. We have come to possibly the coolest bridge I've ever seen in my life. Looks like we made it just in time. A big door has just turned up as we're leaving. We always seem to plan it perfectly for some reason.
Okay, we have parked up. We have arrived around kind of near Vikos Gorge, which is this beautiful gorge. The reason that we drove all the way out. I think it's about a half-an-hour walk there. That's okay, we don't mind walking. It would have been nice to drive right next to it, but it's fine. It's pretty cold, pretty chilly, but it doesn't look so far like it's going to rain, so fingers crossed it will be a nice walk and some amazing views. It's nice to stretch our legs after such a long drive.
Minutes to go to the viewpoint. Let's go.
So on this little trail so far, We have not seen a single soul, not even any animals so far. Excuse me, this is just a treacherous bit. Oh, okay. No one else. As in, like, look around. Not a single person. Just me and Aiden. And it's perfect. I imagine in a summer. Woo! I imagine in summer it would probably be quite busy. But right now, at the start of December, absolutely empty. And this is the kind of things that we love when we find these just little pockets of the world where no one else is, and just really enjoy nature. And what a surprise that Greece has this. I would have never thought about this before. Even I think coming to just mainland Greece instead of the islands is a bit different to what most people would do. But we are getting to see a very different part of Greece that we never imagined, and we are loving it. And if you also enjoy these videos and want to see more, make sure to like, comment and subscribe so you can support us.
We are not wearing the appropriate footwear for this. It's very muddy and slippy.
You should have worn better shoes.
That means 130 meters.
130 minutes.
I'm fucking scared right now.
Why?
Because it's slippy. Bro, look how big this is. We're like hundreds of meters up in the air.
Oh my god. Yes. Yes. Well, we made it. Just behind us is the gorge. Oh my god. That is breathtaking, like genuinely breathtaking. Wow.
So just a little bit further from where we were stopped, you can see the other side of the valley, and this is very impressive as well.
Oh, we are freezing. We are a little out of breath as well. Also, we have cold, so that's why we sound so bunged up. But nevertheless, we are having the best day. I think genuinely one of my travel highlights.
Yes, for sure. That was one of the most impressive things I've ever seen.
And it's completely secluded as well. But we are cold now. We're going to quickly get back to the car and hopefully find somewhere for a hot drink. So see you in a little bit.
Right, so we are just walking to our last stop of the day. We actually drove 3 hours today just to see a gorge and some bridges, so let us know in the comments if you think that is worth it. This drive has been perfect. All the way through central Greece, there are just mountains everywhere. All of the trees look amazing because of the autumn and winter time, and we are very, very happy with the trip so far. Okay, I don't think we're actually able to get to the bridge. I don't know if you can see how deep that is, but yeah, that's very clear water. We managed to find it.
These bridges are like something out of a fairy tale. They're so beautiful. I think before they were made, these towns were very cut off from each other, and they just made beautiful, really circular stone bridges. And now we can come, enjoy how beautiful they are, take a quick picture of them, and then carry on our journey. So we have about a 2-hour drive now to make it home. I think that is pretty much everything for this video, unless we see anything amazing on the drive home, which we probably will. But we are going to put the camera away, and we will see you for day 3 of our road trip, which will be coming out next. So bye.